Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a very quick explanation on how you can get a level 2 account on Webull. This is very useful if you want real-time market depth and advanced trading insights. So make sure that your Webull is updated. So what you will have to do first is, of course, log into your account. And once you've logged into your Webull account, you will navigate to your market data. So it should be somewhere right here. So it really depends on the terminology and the layout of your website. So anyway, you do have to look for market data, and then you should look for trading tools, and after that you will look for market data. And once you see your market data, you will just have to click that, and then after that, you will subscribe to level 2 data. So you will choose NYSE, DAQ, or Amex subscription. And then, of course, you do have to review monthly fee. So it is usually $1 to $2 per exchange. And then after that, you will verify your payment by entering your payment method and confirming your subscription. And to access level 2 data, you will open your stack chart, and then you will basically just have to click market depth and level 2, and then you will view bid and ask prices in real time. And yeah, that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.